Okay, it's Ramonica, and we are on topic 13. And the topic for today is debunking the myth of how much you really need for a down payment. And Cliff, I want to talk to you about this because I get two types of clients all the time. I get number one, oh, I'm saving, I got to have 20% down before I can purchase my home. Or I get the other type of client, oh, my aunt or my cousin, somebody in my family, they bought a house with no money down, I want that deal. How much do you really need for a down payment?
Well, I always like to say down payment are like apples and oranges. People always try to compare what someone else got to what they've got. Every person is going to be different.
Okay.
Now, there are ways to get into a house with no money down, and there's ways that generally the best way that you normally hear is 20% down, because sometimes you can get no mortgage insurance and things like that. But truth be told, you really don't need a whole lot down. Generally, there's only two loan types that allow actually no money out of pocket.
Okay.
And that's if you're a veteran. Thank you for serving our country. We appreciate you. You can get in with no money out of pocket, no down payment, that is. And then, of course, if you're buying in a rural area like parts of Chamber County or Missouri County, they qualify for a USDA loan, which is zero down.
Yeah.
But for the most part, big portion of the market, especially in our areas, is FHA.
Yeah.
FHA, you typically are going to need 3.5% down, or conventional 3 to 5% down.
Okay.
Now, the best option is if you can save up and put 20% down, that's a great thing. But you don't want to be not buying a house for 10 years to save up 20%, because when you buy the house right now, you're working on that appreciation of value and building equity and not throwing away your money for rent.
Exactly.
So don't not buy a house because you don't have the 20%.
Right.
Get into a house as soon as you possibly can, is in my opinion in most cases. So
I agree.
You agree on that part?
Yeah, for sure.
So, hey, like I said, it is possible to get with no money down, but it is a case-by-case basis. But definitely don't wait around for 20% to come around. Unless you're like $1,000 away and I'm like, I'm going to have it next month. But then, yeah.
Right, that makes sense. Okay, so you have more than one way to be able to get your down payment. I hope we have debunked the myth that you don't necessarily need 20% down, and you don't have, and there are options if you are looking for down payment help. Okay, thanks guys for listening. I hope we have debunked your myth about down payment, and we will talk to you tomorrow with another great topic.
Bye-bye, everyone.